Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Syafiqah binti Mansub, metric number A15639, going to continue about risk management plan. What is risk management plan? So risk management is a set of regulations, policies, and procedures for conducting an activity that contains an inherent risk. So the purpose is to reduce the potential loss. It means that there is a risk, but it can reduce the potential loss. It does not eliminate risk from the activities, but to manage the risk and reduce it to an acceptable level. So there is a higher risk, but we can reduce it reduce it to lower the risk management, and so that we can accept it into a certain level. There are four that create risk. So the first one is people. People means that both leaders and participants bring to an activity such as skills, knowledge, experiences, health and fitnesses, age, fears, and etc. People, I mean leaders or participants, is either have skill knowledge, I mean based on their previous experiences, and they have to maintain their health, they have to be fit, and they have to have a good health and a strong fit. I mean they have to be fitness, their fitness need to be in a higher level. So age doesn't matter, but you have to know that certain older people have numerous of diseases, so we have to avoid that. Fears is either they afraid of water, jungle, or etc. So the next thing that create risk is environment. Environment is originate from surroundings and can impact on the activity such as weather, terrain, availability of shelter, remoteness, and etc. Environment is where you have to, in order for you to have a good good thing, a good plan, you have to know that the environment is either in a good weather. Is it rainy or not? Is it sunny or rainy, or is it rainy 24 hours? You have to know that. That is the most common things. And availability of shelter, either that place have shelter or not, is it safe or not, or something like that. The third that creates risk is equipment. Equipment is such as resources that impact on the activity. Your clothing, buoyancy aids, kayaks, tents, climbing routes, helmets, motor vehicles, and etc. You have to wear suitable clothes in order for you to do the activities. Buoyancy aids, kayak, you have to make sure the kayaks is in a good conditions. There is no things that can create accidents. Tents, it's either the tents is good enough, or there is a hole. If there is a hole, it can risk everyone, where when there is rainy, when we are in a rainy mood, so the water can flow through our tents. Climbing ropes is for you to use it in the jungle. Helmets is for you to protect your head and your body. So motor vehicles you use to transport from land to into the jungle. So the last thing that creates risk is procedure. Procedure is the way and step and activities is conducted, such as climbing, laying, lifting, tossing, and jumping, stacking, standing in awkward position, and jumping. Procedures is important, where you have to actually conduct an activity from first place to second place. You have to list it out everything and all things that you have to do. That's it. That's all for risk management. Thank you.